peeps, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get unready with me. So usually I get ready with you guys. Now it's time to get unready with me. So here we are. We're going to remove all this glam, and I'm going to share with you guys my step-by-step and what products I do like to use to get unready and how to remove all of my makeup. And this is an update of how I remove my makeup, so be on the lookout for all of that in this video. And if you are new, hi, you have 3 options. Subscribe, you have one right here, you have one right here, and then you have one right here. So you got a desktop here, you got a mobile here, and you have a big one on the screen, so check it out. But I gotta go, and let's go ahead and remove all this glam, okay? Step by step. Alright. So first thing I like to do is remove my eyelashes, because we do not want, you know, any issues. Okay, so I put them in this little packaging that it comes with. I will do a review of these lashes if you guys want to, so thumbs up this video if you want me to talk about my favorite lashes. So I take a big makeup wipe. This is a huge makeup wipe, you guys, and when I say this thing is huge, it's basically by the size of the texture of the wipe. It's very thick, and I have to really force it onto my skin, and which had me terrified a little bit, because I don't want to force onto my skin and then cause skin damages. But overall, this wipe is the bomb. And then I like to take the Mircella cleansing water and cleanse my face with the tissue, because it gets most of my makeup off. Once that is done, I like to go with a rag, and I like to get it really nice and warm. And I like to go over my face with some soap and kind of like wash all the excess residue, because you know we got to get all that off. After that, I'm going to moisturize my face with this Oatmeal lotion. This Oatmeal lotion is not necessarily, I mean, it's a good lotion. It has oatmeal on it, but I'm going to take this lotion though, and I'm going to use this lotion, and I'm going to moisturize. It's very, very thick. It's very nice. Keep your skin feeling soft. Love it, hands down. So I am going to moisturize my face also with some petroleum jelly, so we won't have those crusty lips at night. And make sure I just put it in areas where I need it the most. And this is very important, you guys. Very important to do so. And that is it. My skin is healthy, it's glowy, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a massive thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I will see you soon. Bye. Channel, today's video we're going to be talking about is how to get rid of your dark circles, and also how to get rid of dark spots, and how not to make your foundation look cakey while doing it. That is one of the most important things you need to know